My name is Edie, and I am a middle school teacher in the South Bronx. I looked into it. I said, this looks pretty cool. I think that I can maybe learn some of these projects myself and then teach them to the kids at home. Never in a million years I thought that I will be able to connect personally with the organization. Brittany said to me, how about if I were to fund your school? And at this moment, I started crying like I'm about to do now, because this was more than I ever envisioned. And through your assistance to this organization, you are opening doors for young ladies and promoting growth in the field of STEM for women. It is a blessing to have people supporting organizations like this and giving young ladies the freedom that they need to dream and dream big. We can do it. I don't know. That's it.